Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to talk about mud. No, I'm just kidding. In today's video I want to just talk about the news about the S20, the Kingsong S20's delay, and what do you guys think about it? Whoa. This is the thing of not having a knobby tire. You slide out, bam, going down. The S18 enjoying a bit of mud. I was just thinking like 100 meters back, I was thinking I should really let you guys now know that when you ride mud, it's sometimes better to go through the deep side of the mud. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but if you go through the deep side of the mud, it's actually better because you actually stay in the middle of the rut, and the wheel has got less chance of slipping out. Compared to now, I didn't go through the middle, and I went just on the side of it, and there was just a slight angle, and the tire just, because it's torquey, it just spun out, and I was laying the wheel down on its side. Luckily I bought a big old bottle brush, not a bottle brush, but a radiator, just my little light. I bought a radiator cleaner. It's a long brush with like coarse bristles on, and you use it to clean the back of the radiators here in the UK. Now this brush was, I think, about £3, and this thing works perfectly for cleaning the mud out of your S18's mud guard. So it's a big thumbs up. Maybe I'll link it in the description below so you guys can see it if you're interested in that. I know a lot of other guys have helped me previously to with some tips and tricks to how to clean the inside of the mud guard. But yeah, on today's ride I just want to discuss with you guys. Oh, do you see that? There's sun on my face. Very dim sun here for the middle of well, it's January now, but yeah, very mild conditions. But yeah, so I want to talk about the news of this S20's delay, and what you guys think about it. You know, we've seen this previously. Let me just get going a little bit. There we go. We've sort of seen this previously, where the wheels get a massive amount of hype in the beginning, and with a lot of hype comes what do you call it? A little bit of pressure to actually get the wheels out as quickly as possible. And when you get the wheels, or companies try and get the wheels out as quick as possible, that's where usually the amount of testing doesn't happen. So what do you guys think? Drop some comments below what you guys think. Would you like the wheel to just be launched and then all the users try and work through all the troubles and have problems with it? Or would you like it to be, like they said now, it's going to be delayed. We don't know for how long yet. There is a statement, and I'll link that statement. Let's make some space. I'll link that statement here so you can read it, and I'll also link the statements. It's been all over the Instagram and whatever, but I'll link it up here for the people that hasn't seen it, so you can have a little read. So pause the video and have a little read. But yeah, they are delaying the S20's launch, meaning to get the wheels out to the clients, because they've got some fine tuning to actually do. Now I think they have learned from the S18 with the first batch that there was some issues, and I think they want to rather try and get the wheels sorted, so the first batch can get to the clients and the wheel is sorted. So yeah, it's interesting. The other thing that I do appreciate from this whole thing is that they have made an official statement. You know, I think as we become more and more riders start wanting the guys that make these things to communicate to the clientele. You know, they're spending quite a lot of money on these things, and especially us in Europe and in the US, that really wants to get proper feedback, not just like an radio silence and then the wheel comes out and there's something new to it. The same for like in what I can say about like enhancements on wheels. You know, for me it would be really nice if they can actually do something like it's not so much a fixed guide, but keep us, the buyers, more informed about changes and upgrades coming to batch 1, 2, 3 and 4. How cool would that be if you can say, okay, I want to order batch 3 and these are the enhancements on that specific wheel. That would be so nice, to be honest. You know, like Gotway, when they changed the motherboards or they put an extra cover on for dust and more weatherproofing and so forth. It would be nice to have a, what do you call it, like a firmware fix list, but for the hardware enhancements. That would be awesome. But yeah, so the S20 is being delayed. I am actually really, I know a lot of people is like and really want to get this wheel underneath their feet so they can start riding it and giving everyone feedback and just enjoying it, because it does look like it solves a lot of the problems, as it's not really problems, but it builds on the S18 being a more powerful, just a more beefy wheel. Oh, this is so muddy down here. This is another time where I'm keeping it slow, because otherwise I'm going to be landing up in the canal. Okay guys, I'm close to the end of my ride, but yeah, please let me know what you think about this S20 delay, and if you've put down a pre-order on that wheel, are you happy that they're sorting it out to make sure that when they launch that first wheel it's going to be 100% fine? Woo! Or do you really want to get the wheel and just get it over and done with and start riding it? I'm in the camp that, listen, if they have to delay it for a month or 2 months, that first batch is just sorted as much as possible. You know, there can be some teething problems, but for the guys that's going to spend that money on being super excited about their S20, that S20 is smoking hot. Because yeah, I do like that wheel. It's a very nice wheel. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And again guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel. If you like the video, give it a little thumbs up, and please share it out to your friends so we can grow this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Happy rolling in 2022. Cheers guys. Whoosh.